Selamat Yavi! How is everyone? Today I am up super early, well, earlier than normal. So as part of every expedition, they arrange a night or a dinner and a day where you are kind of with a family in Andavadok and basically do what they do. So it's like day in the life. You get to see how they kind of live life here in Andavadok and how they do things. I'm not really sure what we're doing today. I am with a family. The mother is an octopus cleaner and the father is a fisherman, and they have 2 daughters, and they live in this little house with a lot of their family surrounding them. So where we were, we had lots of other little kids and lots of people coming over, and they were basically family members who lived close by. It was really nice. Last night we went for dinner and got to know them and got served this really well cooked fish, and it was so yummy. So I'm not really sure what to expect. I'm a bit nervous because I've never really done anything like this before. They don't speak any English, like hardly any English. They only know like odd words and kind of little things. So we've been learning Malagasy to kind of have a talk, to communicate with each other. And my Malagasy is pretty poor as well, so it's going to be an interesting day trying to find out how we're going to communicate with each other.
The God is to make us from the sand, from the muddy and the plowing.
The family that we went and spent the day with was really nice. We didn't do much because it was kind of like their day off, because the tide was high and the winds were high, so they couldn't go fishing or octopus cleaning. But it was really nice to kind of hang out with the kids who loved the camera. It was really sweet. Also got served the best food ever. So I really enjoyed the homestay, and I hope you did too. I hope you did enjoy this video. The singing was all done by Jax and his friend Dax, who are, funny enough, the brother-in-law of my family's mother, if that makes sense. It was really nice to hear them sing, and apparently they have a kind of like a group, and they sing at church and events and stuff like that, and they write their own music. And hopefully we get to go see that at some point, because I think that would be cool.